October 2020, 12 variant question number 11. I'm doing two parts only, D and E. And topic is A levels transformation. First of all, we have three functions, f of x, then we have g of x, and then we have h of x. But if you look at carefully, in both we have f here. It means he is applying something on it, and then he gave the name as a g. Again, he used this f, and he gave his name as h. So first he asking, describe fully a sequence of transformation that maps f of x on g of x. Repeat again, f is going on g of x. So f is this and g of x is here. If you look at carefully in this whole thing, what he's doing, let's concentrate. First, I said a lot of times, this in the bracket, whatever we have, first we have to explain that. After that, we'll talk about outside bracket. First inside bracket, then outside bracket. Okay, so this is this two inside the multiplying, two outside multiplying is stretch along y-axis, but multiplying two inside the function of x like this, so it's stretched along x-axis. Okay, so first part, it is stretch. I'm writing here, it is stretch. So not two times. Let me tell you, when you have half times, scale factor half times, okay, along x-axis, I write a word along x-axis or parallel to x-axis, no problem at all. Okay, done. This is done. Okay, hold on. If two multiply outside, this is called stretch along y-axis, and multiple is also two. But if this two goes inside, then we'll always take reciprocal of two becomes 1 by 2. So I think the concept is very, very clear. Okay, and let's go for the next part. Part number 2. So this 4 is there. So we can say this is a positive y. It means translation. Translation. We can write a full sentence or shortcut by 0,4. Why 0,4? Because no motion along x-axis. So no motion along x-axis, and it means 4 along y-axis. So this idea is very clear. So let's talk about the E part. So f is going on h. So f function is going on h function. So actually, so what is story here? But what to do we have? So 2 times 2 function x plus pi by 2 or half pi. Again, first we deal bracket and then we'll deal outside. So first we deal bracket and then we'll deal outside. So let's see how we can do it. Okay. So first of all, in the bracket, and this is what translation. So number 1, translation. And let me tell you, if the function outside pi by 2, this is called translation along y-axis. But if it is inside the bracket, okay, if we have inside the bracket like this, so this is along x-axis, but we sign always flip, always change. So translation, okay, translation. Wait a minute, please. Translation by column vector, because I said you along x-axis minus pi by 2 0, and we always change the sign. If it's minus sign, I will write plus here. If plus here, I will put minus sign. Number 2, so I have done inside the bracket, now outside. 2 is multiplying. It is called stretch. 2 times parallel to y-axis or along y-axis. Along y-axis. So I hope so. The concept is very clear.